Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to rotate pivot. So as example, I will insert the cube objects, and if you use the move tool to be show the pivot in this object. Now to rotate you can tap D, press, and then I will click the red axis to rotate the pivot. After it you can click outside, and then if you select again the object, the pivot will be automatically set into default. So to change, you can go to tool settings, click at these icons, tool settings, and then you can see the axis orientation will be set to the world. So you can change in here, like into custom, and the pivot will be automatically changed. Okay, to set back again, you can change the orientation to the world. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to rotate pivot.